Okay, I've got the ingredients to make Des's banana bread. I've got almond meal. I've got tapioca flour. I've got all the relevant ingredients. I'm making dry stuff. Bananas, I'm actually going to use 4 because they were mushy bananas, and now I'm going to mash them up. So I've got a fork and I'm mushing it up. It's all mushed. I reckon Mama Kaz would. What I'm going to do is then I'm going to mix the mashed bananas, oil, and I'm going to zhung 3 eggs into it, and I'm going to mash it up well. And mix it with this dry powder to the bananas, and I'm going to mix it, and then I'm going to add eggs to it as well. I may actually have to get a bigger plate. What do you reckon, Des? So I put the small plate, I transferred the small plate into a big plate, and then I zhuzhed the eggs. Okay, I've just mushed I put the eggs with the oil and the mashed extract into this solution that I'm mushing up. Mush, 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 mush. There you go. Now, I'm going to pour the wet stuff. The best part the dry stuff is eating the chutas before it's cooked. It's yum. Like a mixture of eggs, almond, sugar. This must be good for the diet, Des. Oi, it's in the oven, and I left out bicarb or baking soda. Okay guys, now I'm waiting for the oven to cook this brilliant banana bread to see how it's come out. There's the oven waiting. End result after putting the cake in for about 70 minutes. My baba, but it is so beautiful. Yum.